When I say powerhouse of the cell, I'll bet you and I are thinking of the same word right now. Today we are talking mitochondria. You know, I've been using this little acronym for a few of our videos now, EPOC. Been telling you we're going to come back to EPOC, and today we're going to find out what EPOC is and why this is all important. All right, here's the deal. We are going to talk about efficiency training today and how you can create better engines or powerhouses in your body, right? We're going to go to the cellular level today. So first of all, we've been talking about some good triggers lately. We've got HIIT training going on with like a one-on-one split. We've got our Tabata going on with a 20 seconds to 10 second split. We've got our 4x4 split that we talked about not too long ago. And now the reason that we've been doing those is because when you do that high intensity training in any of those intervals, what you're doing is you are actually creating more mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell. And those powerhouses, also while you're creating those powerhouses, what we're doing is we are eliciting more growth of an enzyme called coenzyme Q10, which is like the spark plug for these powerhouses. Or if you think about the engine, right? So here's the engine, and you got more spark plugs, you got more cylinders, you got more movement going on. So the V8 better than the V6, and that's what we got going on. And so now that we've got that, so we triggered it, we've got the engine building, we're building out our cylinders, and now we've got EPOC, which is excess post-exercise oxygen consumption. I should come to this side. So this is the afterburn that keeps going. We get that huge hit of, HIIT going on. We engage the engine, we start building out more energy here. We got more spark plugs coming, and now we are getting more afterburn going on. And what happens? We get more energy, we get more stamina, and we burn more fat. So we have less fat. And so now something cool to think about on this one is I've also talked about ruck walking, where you pop on a backpack with some weight on it and do some walking, right? This is going to be zone 4 and 5 workout from 80% to 95% of your max heart rate. Go back and watch the max heart rate video and the zones video. That's going to help you out here. But a cool thing is you can actually drop down into zone 2 once you've been building these more mitochondria and getting more of this coenzyme Q10 going on, where you're going to have now more efficient walking exercises or zone 2 exercises, whatever that happens to be, more of that steady state cardio where you can talk to somebody similar to what I'm doing right now, but we would still be exercising, and you're going to get a more efficient burn going on there. So we're going to hit it hard, build the engine, get more afterburn going on, and then we get more efficient when we're doing our zone 2 as well. All in all, it's an overall win. See you for day 48.